Take a look at this 2017 Honda Accord Sedan. This Accord Sedan has just under 500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 33 on the highway. This Accord Sedan boasts a 3.5-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, sunroof and driver airbag. Call 800-227-1111 extension 142. Or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.